Our plant for the production of pharmaceutical powders in Krasnodar has been operating in the pharmaceutical market for more than 10 years. We use various pharmaceutical equipment that meets the requirements and standards of GMP for production, a unit for dehydration of aqueous solutions, and extracts in a fluidized bed apparatus, rotary tablet machines, an automatic line for packaging tablets in plastic film, and foil and other high-tech machines and devices. Delivery could have been delayed and I declined. Then I contacted a company from Novosibirsk. She said that they do not produce this type of machine, but if we can wait, they are ready to design and produce the machine, but it will not be until next year. I was not prepared to wait that long. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All companies I phoned to make sure of the professionalism of managers. A specialist from one company from Saratov said to wait 5 minutes, but never listened to me. I didn't like such attitude to the customer. The manager of another company from Kaliningrad talked to me politely, asked questions about the necessary performance equipment, the desired production time. 5 days later I received 6 variants of different machines for filling plastic bottles with pills, and an offer to make a choice on my own. I realized that they did not have a professional approach, and would not help me with the solution of finding the equipment. The company specialist offered to test the machine, and asked to send bottles, our white and pink capsules. The manager informed us about the degree of readiness of the machine 2 weeks before delivery, and sent a video, where we could see our equipment. From the prefabricated bunker on a metal tray, white and pink capsules arrive on a table, where they are formed into unidirectional streams, which are dispensed according to the number of capsules, set on a special counter into 2 plastic bottles. The dosing process is controlled by an LCD screen system. A month after signing the contract, we received the machine for filling capsules into plastic bottles. The manager provided us with the manufacturer's warranty, technical passport of the equipment, drawings and operation manual. We assembled the machine, and trained the workers, who would be assigned to the machine in a week. The equipment was made of quality stainless steel and worked smoothly. I was satisfied with the machine for filling plastic bottles offered, and supplied by a specialist from Moscow. The competent advice saved me time, and helped me to avoid mistakes that I probably would have made, if I had made the choice myself. It is hard to find professionals in the equipment supply business. I am very glad that in the end, I was lucky to meet such a person.